Showing a quick unboxing here of this Wax Blaster MD Plus Earwax cleaning system. Right here, there's a sticker. As you can see, it says void. I started to open it, but that's nice so you know if it's been tampered with or not. And we'll just see what's inside this package here. Okay, it's all pre-packaged in this Ziploc, it looks like. Comes out in one fell swoop. And then what do we have in this bag? Okay, we've got a spray bottle, a few applications here, the weekly earwax washing packet. We got 2 of those. The system, oh, 3 of them. There you go. Takes about 15 minutes to perform the cleaning. See, there's 3 tips in there, and then this tool as well. It's all within that one package, and I like that it has this Ziploc reusable bag so you can put it all back in when you're all done.